Hello all, we are going to see a clinical based question. Okay, a 9-year-old patient had a fall during her play and her mother brought her to the dentist along with a lost tooth within 45 minutes. What is the most suitable medium to store the owl's tooth? So, hands balanced salt solution, water, saline and lens solution. See, there are a lot of storage medium when it comes to owl's tooth. Okay, there are a lot of options when you have. Okay, the first most preferred option is this Hank's balanced salt solution, which is available as tooth saver or saver tooth EMT. We'll come to all the details. Apart from that, you can have milk, low fat milk, isotonic saline, contact lens solution. Then you have buccal vestibule or under the tongue saliva, unsalted water. The least preferred medium will be the saliva, and it's not all. Sometimes it is not preferred. Okay. Then when you talk about the root surface treatment conditioning, you have a lot of citric acid, doxycycline, tetracyclines, and all. We're not going to that. Okay. So when you talk about this Hank's balanced salt solution, it's a standard saline solution which is widely available in the biomedical research to support a lot of cell type. Okay, this solution is always non-toxic. See, it is non-toxic, non-bio. This is biocompatible with periodontal cells. Okay, pH at 7.2 and osmolality of 320 milliosmoles per kg. Okay, so I am going to tell the composition of it. I'm going to tell the composition here in only one line it is mentioned, but if you see about the composition, it is composed mainly of I'll tell you, sodium chloride, first NaCl, you have to remember, then KCl, potassium chloride, glucose, okay, glucose, sodium bicarbonate, okay, sodium phosphate, then calcium chloride, then magnesium chloride, and magnesium sulfate. Okay, so all these can sustain and reconstitute your depleted cellular epithelium of the periodontal ligament. See, it is the best solution. Okay, it's the best solution for storing the owl's tooth, since it does not require any refrigeration. It can be kept on the shelf itself for 2 years. Okay, it is commercially available as saver tooth, which acts as an inner net to receive the owl's tooth and to minimize the trauma during transport. Apart from this, what you have to know is it is something called saver tooth. Okay, and you have one more thing called wire span. Okay, wire span. This wire span is a cold storage organ transport storage medium which has been suggested for the storage of owl's tooth. This is also, this osmolarity is equal to 320 milliosmoles per liter. Okay, and the pH is also equivalent for the cellular growth. Okay, then you have a lot of propolis. Propolis is from the sticky resin of barks of trees. Okay, then you have contact solution, Emdogain. Emdogain is recently gaining that popularity. Okay, sometimes Eagle's medium is there. That also you can use. Okay, nowadays even they use coconut water. Okay, there's a lot of research on that. Okay, so basically we've learned about this HBSS, this Hank's balanced salt solution. So coming back to the question, a 9-year-old patient had a fall, okay, and it has to take into the nearby dentist within 45 minutes. Always when it comes to replantation, the ideal time that you have to take immediately, your golden hour will be 1 to 2 hours. Within that, if you take, your tooth can be saved, owl's tooth can be saved. See, when you compare the other options, I want you to be very clear. Water is not at all recommended because it is hypotonic, okay, and it can cause damage to the root surface cells, okay, and does not provide the electrolyte balance. When it comes to saline is a better medium, and lens solution is not suitable. It specifically it is also recommended, but when you have the options like Hank's balance, it is not ideal. So coming back to the question, the keywords here would be lost tooth within 45 minutes. And what's more, best suitable medium amongst this would be Hank's balanced salt solution. Okay, so when it comes to the treatment protocols of the Chawal's teeth, you need to be very thorough of this treatment protocols. Then the storage medium when it comes to the periodontics, and you have to be very thorough about the procedures, avulsion procedures also. In children, avulsion is very common. Okay, so if you have any doubts, you can contact us at any time. Thank you.